when you don't know what to do. Just remember Mr. Bacon. He's got friends across the universe for Mr. Bacon. Enigmas of the magnificent. Enigmas of the magnificent. Enigmas of the magnificent Mr. Bacon.
Today, Mr. Bacon wanted to go for a drive. He wanted to go relax. Unfortunately, his car broke down. Whatever will he do?
Well, look what the cat drug in. Looks like you could use some help with your car there, right?
Mr. Bacon was grateful Ron was able to help. He's just weirded out by this strange guy.
You hungry at all? I got a drumstick if you want one.
Mr. Bacon does not want a drumstick that Ron has already eaten. That's gross.
Oh, this is the place right here. They'll impound your car really good. Turn it into a little cube. Okay, bye.
Oh, I guess Mr. Bacon was just gonna walk into town all by himself. Thanks a lot, Ron, for nothing. Mr. Bacon didn't like walking through the city. There were strange people here.
Dude!
Like that guy. This looked like a promising place to pick up a car. Maybe Mr. Bacon will find something he likes. Maybe a green one.
Hey, if you touch that, you have to buy it.
Not Jake again. He seems to just work everywhere around here.
So you're interested in buying a car here, huh? I saw you looking at the pretty green one there. It's so shiny. We've got so many cars here, you'd be here for days and days. That brown one looks pretty fast there, though.
Mr. Bacon was gonna go for the purple one. He liked it.
But the brown one's really fast. Oh, I guess the tires need to be rotated. How about the purple one then?
Yes, Mr. Bacon liked the purple one.
Now comes the really hard part of signing all the paperwork. You ready to sign your life away? Come on, let's go. So this is my office. I built this place all myself with some help from my dad. Thanks, my sugar plum. You ready to sign some papers?
Mr. Bacon is always ready for anything.
I hope you're ready to sign all these papers. This is gonna take forever, probably a few days.
Yeah, this is the hard part. You're gonna be here for a while.
Ever since Mr. Bacon became an internet sensation, he's used to signing his name. He's a pro now. Mr. Bacon's all done now.
Wow! I've never seen someone do that fast. That was pretty impressive.
Mr. Bacon is never short of being impressive, especially around these guys.
Here. I hope you enjoy your fast new car.
Yeah, my car's super fast, but it's being fixed at my girlfriend's. But if you want to see how fast it is, you should come back tonight and we should race.
It's a lot of fun. You should go.
So let's come back here tonight and then we'll go for a big race. There'll be lots of people there and I'll win totally.
Mr. Bacon thought this might be fun, so he waited all day until the night rose. He usually doesn't do anything at night considering he's too busy sleeping.
I don't know where you're take me. As long as I have got my friends, I can make it through. Maybe it will take me home.
I can't wait to start racing. It's gonna be fun.
My car's so fast that I mean, no one can even look up to me right now. Look how fast I'm going.
Ah! You better not hurt my sugar plum over there.
Perfect. This is a good spot right here, right?
Mr. Bacon arrived just in time to start the race.
When my sugar plum gives the signal, we go. Hope you're ready to lose.
Mr. Bacon just needed to keep his eyes open for this sugar plum to give a signal, but he had never seen a sugar plum before. And look at that, they've already started the race without Mr. Bacon.
Totally gonna win. My car's so fast.
This is so much
Get
fun.
out of my way.
Touch the ball right now.
Ah!
Whoa, there's a big crash right there. Hey, what's up? Don't touch my car. I think there's something wrong with my car now. Oh no.
Just when Jake thought he was gonna win, here comes Mr. Bacon. Speeding past everyone, no one was faster than him. He was the best at everything he did. Who's this guy behind him? Another racer? No, that was the police.
You better stop. You're getting pulled over right now.
Maybe he should pull over.
I win.
Mr. Bacon was pretty nervous. He's never been pulled over before. He's probably gonna get a hefty ticket.
You have any idea how fast you're going back there?
Ah!
I'm third in charge around here.
Is that supposed to impress Mr. Bacon being third in charge?
I got you for speeding, illegal street racing, and riding a scooter down a hill. Hey, you guys, get back here.
Get those guys. They broke my car.
Got you now, boys. You have any idea how
Oh,
fast?
hey there.
No. Oh no, please don't tell your dad about this. I'm so sorry.